we're going to do a little summer tune-up. The old exciter. Gonna start tearing some of that apart. Clean the carbs, new fuel lines, new spring, dual pipes, and different gearing. I also have different body panel stuff I'm going to do, but here we go. Try out these gaskets, repack these mufflers, put the gearing, and put these back on. PS9, 165, 280. I got a 150, 280 in there right now, so we'll try that out. Should be fun. Alright, let's get started. Okay, when you take these off, you can see they originally have these welds here. I just mark it, cut the welds, and I put it back together with some self-tappers. I've already had this apart, but I'll show you what it looks like. And there you go. Let's wrap this with the packing, stuff her back in there, be good to go. So that's what it looks like. Just wrap it around real tight, use the whole roll, tape it in place. If you're having trouble getting this out, you heat this up, a sunflower heater, and this part here fits pretty tight, and it'll slide in and out a lot easier. Let's get her back in. Oh, progress is being made. Got these pipes done, this one off. Get over here. Get this chain case cover off. 10 and 12 millimeter. There's no drain, so you just gotta let her run. Stuff some rags under there, and we'll get her all back together. Alright, 1731s are back in. 1831s are out. Really didn't do me any good, so here we're at. Get her put back in. Okay, well, we're making progress. Got pipes on. Going through all these panels. You can see what it all looks like with nothing on there. We'll get the EGTs on there. I'm going to put the blue panels here. Clean up the boot, shock covers. Get all that done. Covers on. Full of gear lube. Everything should be good to go. We're getting there. Alrighty. That's enough for now. Calling this disaster day one. It's like 100 frickin' degrees out here. But I got the pipes on. Gears in. See if those new gaskets seal. Let that sit up overnight. We're almost there. It's coming along. Put those blue panels on. I think that'll look a little better. I got some more stuff coming too. Hopefully soon. Alright. Finish her up tomorrow.